Alright, so we are here in the 540, E39 540, and as we can see, first thing we see that is broken, well, of course it's this right here as well. And I probably have a replacement, but I'll be replacing that later. And so these are very simple to replace. Yeah, so let's go ahead and glue it back up there. As you can see, it's gone, the glue that used to be there. So we're gonna scrape that off, and then we will put this one back on. All right, so took off the excess glue. Now I'm gonna get some alcohol, wipe it down, and it'll be ready for the new adhesive repair. We're gonna go with Permatex. I've never tried it. It's the first time, but we'll see how it does. All right, so I just want to go ahead and real quick mention that this Permatex kit does offer the adhesive. It actually offers a blade for you, some alcohol prep wipes, some sanding paper, instructions of course, and this, what is this? Okay, I see, the cleaner activator. So yeah, so anyway, we went ahead and we have it cleaned. I used the blade, scraped it off a little bit, used some alcohol, and we should be good to go. Now guys, for not following instructions, what I should have done was, with the either washable marker or something, circle the area where the old residue of the glue was, to kind of know where the mirror would go. But anyway, that's for you guys to know. Now it's too late for me. So the next step here will be, we're going to use this sandpaper provided here, and we're going to sand this off. So I'll probably start it off. So now it's clean, sanded down. Now what we have to do is open this towelette activator. It's going to, we're going to open it, and it's going to split into two here. So let's see if I could get a film going on here, how it's going to be done. And then you will not be taking this towelette out. So you'll be grabbing it kind of like how this shows right here in the picture. You're going to wipe this and then do your windshield area as well. Alright, so now we're going to get our towelette activator. Open it like this, and we'll just grab it like this. Okay, now we're going to get this right here.
Did I turn it off?
Yeah. Now, make sure you do your cleaner in your area where you'll be gluing this, and then I'll make sure you just don't touch this. Just set it aside somewhere. So before prepping this, make sure you take it off from here. After you prep it, you can also take it off. I just used some needle nose pliers and took it right off. It's better if you take this off and don't install with this, because if you try to do with this, it's not going to hold. It's better if you do this. Now the next step is going to be to add the adhesive, and then we're going to hold it for 1 minute, and then after that it's better to let it set for 30 minutes and then go ahead and install your rear view mirror. Okay, so I thought I was just gonna share here instead how I did it. All I did was just twist, it comes right off. And if you want to go ahead, you know, I didn't touch any of this, so we should still be good to go. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put our glue on our piece. Let me set this down really quick here. Okay, yeah. Leave it like that, okay? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the glue on here.
Yeah, I can only see your arms.
And don't put a ton, because you don't want it, you know, running off. the way I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna put mainly in the middle, and there we go. Now, then this is the way you're gonna do it. Just hold it for a whole minute. I'm gonna set myself a timer here. Now I didn't do this perfectly, and I kind of regret not doing it perfectly. But yeah, so what we did was we made sure that once the side view mirror goes on there, we twist it and it'll end up, you know, looking directly straight back. So we got our timer here going. I'm gonna hold that there and hold it there with a finger, so I'll take turns. Okay, so there you have 1 minute, and let's see if it works. I'm gonna let this go. Okay, there you go. So it works. That's pretty cool. This is the first time I ever put one of these. Now we're just gonna let it sit there for 30 more minutes, and I'm gonna actually time that here, and we will go do errands and something else, you know. We're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes, and then after that, the instructions say allow to set for 30 prior to mounting the rear view mirror. So we'll get back with that and see how it goes. See if it holds. If I did it right, it should hold. If I did it wrong, it will not hold. And there you have it, guys. So it's back on. And we can see it there. But yeah, so it's holding up nicely. We have it here. Gonna adjust our mirror finally. Very nice. So do I recommend the kit? I definitely do, just because it did work. Now I'm not sponsored by them, but I'll go ahead and leave a link there. You guys can check it out. All right, well, that is all. I'll see you all on the next one.
Yeah, I can only see your